Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be talking about the February 2025 feature summary for Power BI Desktop, right? I mean, and let me just say that I used to be upset at how bad the updates were. Now it's just become comical. It's comical just how terrible these updates are these days. But there is one very important thing, which is something that I predicted about a year ago, and that they'd be killing off Power BI Desktop. And they are, in fact, killing off Power BI Desktop. So if you go here, it says 32-bit version will no longer be supported 6/30/2025, upgrade to the 64-bit version. So I know it's not exactly them killing off Power BI Desktop, as a whole, but I'll take it. I'm going to take it as a win. I think they're slowly killing Power BI Desktop, in my opinion. And this is further evidence of that, as well as just this horrendous update that they've published. I mean, there's some Copilot stuff, right? It's all preview, and this general section here, which is, you know, update the 2025 version, otherwise stuff's gonna break, essentially is what this says. So I mean, it's just comically bad. The conditional formatting, but it's preview, right? For visual calculations. This is published to web support for Azure Maps. That's good. It's coming soon. It's like, well, why are you even mentioning it here if it's not here? Like it's not even in preview. So they've resorted. They have such little to talk about in these updates, right? They if they even talk about stuff that isn't even in preview. It's like, well, it's coming. We have nothing to talk about, but so we're gonna just throw this in that it's that this is coming, right? But I mean, it's good that it's coming, right? Because I did a video on this about a year ago, that they were gonna break your map visuals because Azure Maps doesn't have publish to web support. So kudos that they're actually fixing it, but I called that a long time ago. And it's just nothing. There's just nothing here. But they did kill Power BI Desktop. I predicted it, and so I'm taking that as a win. And that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.